Cadets, you look great coming in this morning. That really means a lot to me, and it tells me that my cadet leaders are doing exactly what I know they're capable of doing. You look great. As we start this year, I want to welcome all of you. I want to welcome our staff and our faculty. And as you can tell, we have a number of changes in our personnel staffing. Change is always good. Cadets, we have over 100 staff and faculty members who work here at the Academy to support you. Never hesitate to ask them for support, ask them questions, ask them for assistance. All of us are here for you. With no cadets, we have no academy. I want to just go through some of these individuals so that you are familiar with the staff we have and what they do. Most of you have met our admission team and our recruiters who helped you come to the Academy, who worked with your parents. You have seen our custodians and our maintenance team who provide a clean and safe environment. And I would compare our campus, your barracks, our academic facilities with the best in the nation. This is your home. It is a beautiful campus, and all of us have a responsibility to support our custodians and maintenance team in maintaining these facilities. Our nurses and medical staff are here to support your needs over in the health clinic. Our business staff are here to help with finances and when you need money. And remember to follow the office hours when you go over to the business office when you want to get some cash. Our quartermaster and our store staff provide you all your uniforms and supplies, and they do the tailoring. They also ensure you get your mail packages, your mail and packages, and make sure you go down there and check your mailboxes on a regular basis. Our staff in the laundry are here to take care of your clothing and your bedding and all of your laundry needs. Our administrative team, these are the ladies who sit outside the front office of the Commandant, the Dean, out in front of my office, in development, up in admissions. These administrative experts probably know as much about what you're doing as you do. Our coaches and activity sponsors. Every cadet will participate in sports, which means every cadet will have a coach, probably an assistant coach. They are there to help you. Listen to our coaches. Listen to our activity sponsors. We have a wonderful Boy Scout troop. We have a lot of other activities and events that you'll be able to partake in. And we usually have chaperones and sponsors that go on those trips. Everyone's there to help you. Our information technology staff, that will support you on your computers, the internet, all things having to do with technology and software. We've got one of the best teams anywhere. I would stack our team up against any other academic institution. Our marketing team, and that includes Matt. You'll get to know Matt. He is our primary photographer. We're going to be taking pictures today for your parents so that since they're not here, they can see you on your first day of classes. We will be taking a lot of pictures and photographs, whether it's in academics, it's out doing things in the Commandant's arena, parades, drill and ceremony, reviews, also in athletics. It's really important for us to share what you are doing with your families. The Commandant's staff, the CLAs, the NACOs, the deputy commandants, they are there to support you. They are also there to work with and advise the cadet leaders. I expect the cadet leaders to run the Corps, but we have adults to advise them and to assist them. The faculty. We've got a wonderful faculty. You have small class sizes. Our faculty are there to focus on teaching and learning in the classroom. All we ask is you put forth the effort. And if you do that, I guarantee you, you will see your grades improve, but more importantly, you will learn. You will start to feel confident about who you are, what you are learning, and what you are starting to think about in terms of graduation and maybe what your future's about. Our faculty, advisors, counselors will work with you to help you find your passion, find your academic strength, help you overcome your weaknesses. They are here to help you. And of course, in addition to all of the staff and faculty and coaches that I've mentioned, I have my cadet leaders. These cadet leaders make things happen. Every year, we get a little bit better. My dream is that my cadet leaders can run the Corps without the adults having to even get involved. I believe they can do it. We've got a very strong group of leaders this year. They know what right looks like. When you look, for the new cadets, when you look at our cadet leaders, they stand for what right looks like. You need to strive to be like them. At the Academy, adhering to the honor code, treating your fellow cadets with respect, as I mentioned last night at Vespers, and you're taking personal responsibility for your actions, words, and deeds is important for your success. Listen to your cadet leaders. Listen to your athletic team captains. To our cadet leaders, you have a significant responsibility. Most students in public schools, even private schools, do not have the responsibility that you have as leaders at our academy. Your success is based on the success of our new cadets. I will be watching very closely, as I know the rest of the staff and faculty will, to watch you do your thing to bring those new cadets through Maroon phase. It will also be here to help you, to assist you. Your thoughtful and caring leadership is very important. To our new cadets, there are a number of factors we look at when it comes to selection of cadet leaders. Your attitude, conduct, and behavior, initiative, hard work, energy, enthusiasm, personal appearance, all play a huge part in the selection of leaders. We select leaders who place emphasis on academics, participate in sports, the band, the choir, Boy Scouts, Fusiliers, Raiders, the rifle team, and engage in community service. In short, we are looking for cadets who study hard and who get actively involved in athletics and activities and support the Corps of Cadets. I just told you the secret formula. That's it. You also, I want you to know that we work very hard to establish a partnership with your parents. The CLAs and faculty will be communicating with your parents on a weekly basis. You should know that every week, all of your grades are online for your parents to review. You should know that if you're not doing your homework, a faculty or CLA will call your parents. Why do we do that? We want you to make the right decisions. We know that you have tremendous potential. You'll hear me say over and over again, you do not know how good you are, but we're going to help you find out. Don't underestimate your potential. For everyone, cadets, staff, faculty, coaches, my guidance has always been very straightforward. Know the standards, live by the standards, correct those who ignore the standards, help your fellow cadets or employees who are having trouble meeting the standards, and always expect to be held accountable. Cadets, don't whine, don't complain, and don't make excuses. Get busy and do your job. Never, ever quit. And these cadet leaders are going to reinforce that. They will not let you quit. Finally, when given the opportunity, I encourage you to thank your parents and grandparents and families for providing you this wonderful opportunity. Some of you may not realize it just yet, how lucky you are to be here at the Academy, the wonderful opportunity that you have been provided, the doors that you can open up, the things that you can achieve because of your family. Your families are making sacrifices for you to be here. So don't hesitate to thank them. And the best way to do that is to do your very best. Make your families proud of you. and also do that for yourself.